The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra builds upon the S24 Ultra with significant upgrades across performance, design, and features. 1. Processor and performance. S25 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4, offering enhanced AI capabilities, faster processing, and better energy efficiency. S24 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a powerful but slightly older processor. 2. Display. S25 Ultra features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2XL TPO display with a higher adaptive refresh rate of 144 Hz for even smoother visuals. S24 Ultra, a 6.8-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. 3. Camera system. S25 Ultra introduces a 250MP primary camera with improved AI image stabilization and a refined zoom system, including a 50MP periscope telephoto lens. S24 Ultra offers a 200MP main camera with strong but less advanced AI zoom capabilities. 4. Battery and charging. S25 Ultra packs a larger 5,500 mAh battery with 65W wired charging and 30W wireless charging, reducing charging time significantly. S24 Ultra, equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45W wired charging. 5. Build and durability. S25 Ultra features a sleeker design with more durable materials, such as enhanced Gorilla Glass Victus 3 and a titanium frame. S24 Ultra, slightly heavier and constructed with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. 6. Software and features. S25 Ultra ships with One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, offering new customization and productivity features. S24 Ultra runs One UI 6.0 on Android 14, still highly capable but missing the newest features. Overall, the S25 Ultra is a powerhouse with noticeable advancements in display technology, processing power, camera functionality, and charging efficiency, making it an excellent upgrade for those seeking the best of the best. Would you like to explore any specific feature in more detail? The elected President of the United States, Donald Trump, has discussed the possibility of the world's most powerful nation acquiring 4 strategic areas and becoming the largest country globally in terms of territory. Trump mentioned these areas as Canada, Greenland, which is under Denmark, the Gulf of Mexico, and the strategically important Panama Canal, through which thousands of international trade vessels pass each year, linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Trump emphasized that these matters would be handled through democratic processes and in accordance with the will of the people of these regions, while also stating that economic power could be used if necessary. He did not clarify whether military power might be considered. This information